Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install OpenToonz, which is a open source animation production software. All you have to do is you can just go to the link, you type in the link into browser or Google, search it, and it will come up looking like this. Or you can click on the link in the description below. You're going to scroll all the way down to where it says click here to download. There'll be 4 buttons down here. One, OpenToonz, which is the software itself. Then you have you're gonna have GTS, which is just a custom scanner for you to scan images. You're gonna have Effects Tools, which is just additional plugins for effects for OpenToonz. You're gonna have Kumo, Kumo, you're gonna have KumoWorks, which is just a software for making cloud scenery for your animation. You're gonna click on OpenToonz. If you only Windows, you can click on download for Windows. For Mac OS X, since I'm on Windows, I'm gonna click download for Windows. And it should start downloading. Then you want to go back, click on this, click back to home page. Here's your effects. See, it was like this, basically just files on Git, or you can say download files and use them for layer. Or you could just download files and maybe use them for layer. Here is KumoWorks. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. You're gonna scroll down here, and the same thing as OpenToonz. You're gonna click on download forever. If you're on Windows, click download for Windows. If you're on Mac, click download for Mac. Start shortly after you click on it. Yeah, it should start shortly after you click on it. After done installing, click where to save it. So English is fine with me, so I just click OK. Then click agreement to it and click on next. And it was like KumoWorks is downloading now. And when you get to the screen right here, just click next. You leave all this just as is, and let's go ahead and click next again. And no, you don't. Let's see, don't create a short memory folder. No. Let's see. Don't click that. Leave this unchecked. Don't check that at all. And click next. Leave that checked and just click next. And then install. and then just click finish. Now that KumoWorks finally downloaded, which I'm just hoping I'm pronouncing this word right. Just click on the arrow, click show in folder, and just click on the icon. And the same cell will pop up again. You basically do the same thing over again with KumoWorks. But I'm still hoping I am pronouncing this word correctly because I'm not really sure how to pronounce the word. And you look through it, basically the self is just the install itself is basically the same thing. And just click finish. Now let's see. Okay, now this would be your effects. Oh well, apparently your alert. Let's see. So this might pop up. Windows Defender firewalls have blocked some features of this application. Private network system at home. Guess you probably could click both these and just click allow access. Or maybe not have that click all, but allow the access to software. Allow it to work. Windows. Gotta love you. Well, the effects, I might have to come back and do. I had to do a separate video on the effects. Oh well, how to use a pre-built-in plugin. Well, I just clicked on this. So if you want to use a pre-built-in plugins, either click on OS X for Windows. Either click on OS X for Mac, or just click on the Windows, which are zip file archives. Yeah, you get these zip folders on Windows and you don't know how to get into them. This is a easy way to do it like this. Click on it, open with. Windows Explorer. Click on open. Copy this. Just copy the plugin folder. And just paste in the download. Place in the download folder. Easy way to them unzip files. If the file won't let you unzip, just do that, and that's the easiest way to do it. Yeah. I guess there gotta be a separate video for that. Yeah, there you go. And here you have OpenToonz. I guess we could just name this new scene. And this look about right. So basically, OpenToonz got choose project, new project, drop down menu. It says sandbox. Add, remove. You got your width and your height, your ratio, units, your DPI, your frame rate, create scenes. You got open another scene. This is your basic window for opening. And just click scene. There you go. Then KumoWorks. Got all your basic functions of animating clouds. Which I don't know how to do yet, which I might have to do another video on this one later. But yeah, that's how you install both of these. Watching this video on how to install OpenToonz and KumoWorks. You could comment